I still can't believe this potato came from our farm.
Big dreams need big ingredients.
Good thing our cabin is warm.
Almost.
Here we are, the giant potato, safe and sound.
I've never washed a potato this big in my life. Good.
Good food always starts slow.
This is definitely, it's better when we do it together.
These aren't fries.
They're logs.
Perfect. Why the bath? Crispy secret.
Crispy secret.
I trust you. Hear that sizzle?
That's happiness.
Agreed.
Thicker?
Good answer. Enough cheese? Enough cheese?
Never. Never.
Obviously. Worth the effort.
Worth the winter.
Perfect.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, Petite Lady.